Hello. Welcome back to Maci-English for Kids. Today, we're going to talk about someone very special, my dad. Let's learn some new words to describe him, and then we'll listen to a short essay. Ready? Let's go. Part 1. Vocabulary. Strong. Strong. Strong means having a lot of power. My dad can carry heavy things easily. Funny. Funny. Funny means someone makes you laugh. My dad tells jokes and makes silly faces. Caring. Caring. Caring means being kind and showing love. My dad always helps me when I need it. Brave. Brave. Brave means not being afraid. My dad is brave because he helps and protects others. Smart. Smart. Smart means very clever and good at solving problems. My dad is smart and teaches me many things. Patient. Patient. Patient means staying calm and not getting angry. My dad is patient when he helps me with homework. Loving. Loving. Loving means showing a lot of love. My dad gives me hugs and makes me feel safe. Part 2. Short essay. Hi everyone. My name is Maci, and today I want to tell you about my dad. My dad's name is John. He is 35 years old, and he works as a firefighter. My dad is very strong and brave because he helps people every day. He is also funny. He tells me jokes and makes me laugh when I feel sad. My dad is caring too. He teaches me how to ride my bike, and he helps me with my homework. He is very patient when I make mistakes. On the weekend, we go to the park together. We play soccer, eat ice cream, and sometimes watch movies as a family. My dad is smart, loving, and always makes me feel safe. I love my dad so much. He is my hero. So, those are some wonderful words to describe my dad. Now, can you describe your dad using some of these adjectives? Is he funny, caring, or maybe strong? Share it with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time on Maci-English for Kids. Bye-bye!